How to find phone number on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your phone number on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the menu section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, simply tap on Account Center. And now here, once you are inside the Account Center, simply scroll down and tap on Personal Details. And after that, you can just tap on Contact Info. And here you will see your phone number and email address that are currently connected to your Facebook account. And that's it. That's how you can find phone number on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.